What's going on, everybody? Today I wanted to show you how you can make some money with Canva and Etsy. They're both free softwares that you can use to create some passive income for whatever you're trying to sell. We're going to walk through, step by step, exactly what you can do and what you can create that actually sells very well on Etsy. And this is a fairly easy strategy as you're creating a digital product and not using a physical product. So you just need to create this one time, and then you can produce passive income over and over and over again with no extra effort from yourself. And the way we can create these products or produce these products is with the free software Canva. And I'm going to show you how to create the best digital products for conversion that convert well on Etsy. And the first digital product we'll start off with is thumbnails, as that produces great sales on Etsy. And the first thing you want to do is open up Etsy so you can see what the competitive landscape looks like for that digital product. So what you want to do is go to the Etsy.com and type in thumbnails. And if you scroll down, you could do a little research and see what's out there, see what people are already creating, so you can provide a little bit something different to the marketplace. But really the best place to look is up above where it says most loved and looking at the reviews and the number of reviews, because it shows demand. And the more reviews someone has, that means they have more sales. So that's the first thing you want to look at. And the first one that's popping out to me is this one right here. They have 494 reviews and 5 stars. So this would be a good competitor to check out. So I'm going to click on this one. And as you can see, these are very, very simple templates that you could easily create in Canva. So I would definitely look at this and not create exactly what they have, but just take some inspiration from it. And then we'll go back to Canva and make something similar to this, because you want to create something that has demand, but you don't want to copy and paste exactly what the top person is doing. But you want to create something that's similar to what they're doing, but with your own twist. And I like how they're creating a pack and not just, one-off thumbnails, which gives the consumer considerable value for their money. But all this person had to do is create this pack once, and they keep getting sales month after month, month after month. And the more sales you get, the higher you rank, which brings even more eyeballs to your thumbnail pack. And as you can imagine, that it creates a snowball effect that becomes completely passive and just grows on itself. But again, you can see how simple these templates are, and they're bringing in sales month after month. And the easy way that's completely free to create these simple templates is with Canva. So let's pop back over to Canva. So the first thing you want to do when you come to Canva is go to the search bar and type in thumbnails. And this will bring up over 18,000 templates for you to choose from. So there's definitely no shortage of ideas for your thumbnail pack. So I would definitely go through some of these and see which one pops out to you the most. But definitely keep in mind to take inspiration from that top Etsy seller. So once you find the first one that you like, you can go ahead and click it. And then click Customize this template. And that will take you to this editing page where you can make your edits. And keep in mind when you're editing, this is just a template, and I'd recommend you make it very unique to yourself. And although this isn't a Canva thumbnail tutorial, I'll link my video on the top right so you can click that and follow a more in-depth thumbnail Canva tutorial. But another digital product that converts very well on Etsy are ebook cover templates. So for this product, we're going to do the same thing and go back to Etsy and look at our competitors. And once we're here, we can follow the same process as we did with thumbnails. So we're going to type in ebook cover templates. And again, you can scroll through here and look for some inspiration, but the best place to start if you're looking for quick sales is the most loved section. And this one sticks out to me right away as it has 1.3 thousand reviews and 5 stars. So I'm going to check this one out. And look at this. This is great because this is very simple to make. So what we want to do is go back to Canva. And now we want to type in ebook cover templates. And Canva has over 20,000 ebook cover templates. And if you scroll down, look at how great these look. These are good just as is. But again, I would take inspiration from the top seller on Etsy, but find something that is similar and edit it with your own twist. But again, you want to sell a pack and not just one ebook cover template. But I would say at least 5 to 10 or even more, because the more you make, it's more valuable to the customer. And in return, you'll get more conversions. So again, go through these, see what pops out to you the most, and take inspiration from the top sellers on Etsy where there's known to be demand. And again, these are just templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. I would change as much as you can, like even the text, the colors, the photos. And you can use photos inside Canva for your editing process. But you can also go to Google and take images from there. And if you need a tutorial on how to do that, that's also in the video linked in the description below on creating a thumbnail. And the last digital product I'd recommend to make on Canva and sell on Etsy would be planners. And for that, we'd go through the same exact process as we did for the last two digital products. So we'd go to Etsy and type in planners. And as you can see, there's a lot of demand for this digital product. You can make a lot of money with planners because look at this, 22.1 thousand, 6,000, 6.2 thousand. And this is where real money could be made because on average, every 200 sales, you'll get one review. So you can do the math on that. 22,000 reviews. That's unbelievable passive income right there. But for this digital product, you do have a lot of competition, but you have a lot of opportunity as well. So I would dive in on each one of these accounts that have a lot of reviews and see what they're selling and then go back to Canva and put your own twist on it. So we'll go back to Canva real quick and we can type in planners and we can see there's no shortage of planner ideas here as well. But there you go, guys. There's 3 digital products that can produce incredible results. And once you're finished with doing the research on Etsy and creating your templates, I have a full video tutorial linked on the top right above and in the description down below, showing you exactly how to upload these templates to Etsy and start making some passive income right away. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section down below. I hope this video was helpful. We're going to keep uploading more and more videos on how to make money online and some more digital strategies on how to create more money flows coming in. But that being said, if you want to see more and more videos like this and digital strategies on how to make more money online, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Cheers.